I like to picture myself, somebody in front of me.
Mm.
And when there's somebody in front of me, I like to do moves like this. So that's a drill. I practice coming here, turning here, and I'm picturing somebody throwing a punch at me.
If I throw a punch, can you demonstrate
Yeah.
what that looks like? So
right. That's what I'm doing.
Oh, okay.
Boom. See how it's turning you that way?
Yeah.
That's what I'm doing. And from here, I can boom, I can strike
here.
Yeah. I can strike here.
Yeah.
Because if I don't stop this hand is helping too.
Linear.
When they're coming straight. Right,
Yeah.
exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
So that's cool. I like that a lot.
So if they throw the hook, I don't want to be there. Right.
I like this for the hook.
Yeah,
that's really good.
That works.
And this,
especially because I do this because some people are not athletic anymore. They can't, if you want to do a boxing slip, you can do that. Some people are not athletic anymore. Or sometimes it catches you off guard. Even a boxer can get caught off guard and get knocked out, right? So, but when somebody flares something at you, boom, we usually do this, right?
Right.
Make that your natural reaction. So when he does the haymaker, boom, I can cover here, boom, I can cover here, I can strike here, right?
Yep.
Boom, and then boom, and then boom.
Oh yeah.
Right? That's what I want. Again, I'm not Wing Chun person.
Oh yeah.
So the thing about my style is a combination of a lot of things. And my style is Kung Fu, basically Kung Fu. But you'll see a lot of wrist lock, a lot of China stuff that a lot of people think is Aikido or Hapkido that I'm doing, because they all do wrist locks and stuff like that. A lot of the stuff is similar, okay? But my style is like, it's different systems, basically. But the basic foundation is Kung Fu. Never see that coming. I'm always an open book. Oh, right. So if you know something, hey, let's go over it. Let's see if it make it work. I'm kind of like more of the Bruce Lee philosophy. Like discard what's useless, and use what's useful. I'm more freestyle.
Right.
I'm more freestyle.
That makes sense.
And let's see, let's work with it and make sure. And there's no rank. We're both brothers. We're both here learning. It's just me. That's my philosophy. I don't believe in ranks. That's just me. I don't have nothing against people doing it. Strike. Right. So I show you these things that I could do. Yes, that's fine. But strike. But if the person is taller than you, out of reach, maybe they're holding you back.
Right.
They're keeping you at bay.
Yeah.
So I can't do this. Right. That's when the wrist locks come into play. Right. So keep me back. Right. So now I can't do this. Hold tight. Can't do this because you're not allowing me to. Right. But I can come here and boom.
Oh yeah.
And now I can strike. So you're not letting me strike you. Maybe I'm not.
Right.
I don't have a longer reach. You have a longer reach than I do.
Yeah.
I can't do this. I can't break you down or anything. I can't hit you, right? Because you're keeping me at bay, and you're probably finna hit me with that eventually. So I got my hands up. This is just a distraction. If I can't reach you here, then I'm gonna put my hands up right here where you can't see me. Right? Maybe I'll do that. I don't know. But just remember, I can still do this.
Right.
Yeah. So once I do this, boom, now I can strike you because I bring you close to me. That's what I want, right? Once I do that, I immediately, if I bring you here and strike you here, that's fine. If I want to use my other hand, then I'll replace it. This hand, see? Watch my hand. I'll replace this hand and move up to here. Whatever I want to do, right? And from here, right?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Down. And then boom.
Oh yeah.
From there.
I see.
So if you grab me, I'm going to keep it there. I'm going to keep it there. So once I do this, boom, boom. See how boom, boom. I will strike here, right? And once I get you out here, then I can turn here. Then I can turn here. Boom.
Wow, yeah.
So don't think somebody tensing up. To me, tensing up means you just turned yourself off. You just shut off the valve. You just said, okay, right, great. Don't let this say, oh, I can't go this way. Yeah, you can't go this way, right? But I can swim around it, right? Now I can go this way, right? Now I can go this way. Now I can go this way. If I go with your spine, see how it pushes you down there? That's what I want. That's what I want, right? So if I go with your spine, boom, boom, right? And then and then the wrist lock.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Respond to whatever it's giving. Okay. Now what I did was, you did that, the other hand. Because you were tense, I just did that just to get you bent a little bit, right? And now you don't have a complete grip with me, right? So now I transfer this hand over here and strike.
Yep.
And notice this hand is right here, which lets me do that.
I see.
All right.
I like it.
All the hands need to work together. Respond to whatever is given. Okay. And how do you do that? You practice it over and over again.
That's what I'm gonna do. I'm definitely gonna be practicing this double parry bong style.
Right.
That helps a lot. You know?
So you should be able to.
Yeah.
A move like I would if I had the wooden dummy.
Oh, I see you doing the double parry in there.
Yeah.